families, welcome to today's math video. Today for math we are working with picture graphs, and your goal, your objective is I can analyze a picture graph. Now remember, analyze is just a fancy way of saying we're going to look at our graph and see what it's telling us. So picture graphs are super fun. I will include pictures of picture graphs on Class Dojo for you to analyze, or you can look some up online, or you and your family can even make your own picture graph like I made my own today. So let's go ahead and get started. So the pictures are our data, our information that we're collecting today. So we're going to put all of our data in this little graph right here. So down here we have the objects or pictures that are in our picture graph. So I drew a bunch of those pictures right behind me. I'll move in a minute. And then right here on the side we have the amounts. So we're going to see if there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 of each picture. And then afterwards we're going to try and answer these two questions. Which had the most, so which picture had the most in our graph, and which had the least. So let's go ahead and get started. And least is just a fancy way of saying which one was the smallest amount. So I'm going to scooch over, and we're going to see how many of each picture we have. So we have heart, star, smile, and triangle. So let's go ahead and start with the heart. So every time I see a heart, I'm going to cross it off, and then I'm going to mark how many hearts we have in our picture graph. Let's go ahead and count with me. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We have 5 hearts. So I'm going to go through and color it in. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Good job. Next, we're going to do the stars. So let's go ahead and count the stars. 1, 2, 3, 4. How many stars did we have? 4. Good job. 1, 2, 3, 4. Next are these smileys. Can you see any smileys on my picture graph area? Good job. Let's go ahead and cross them off and count them. I'm crossing them off so I know which ones I already counted. 1, 2, 3, 4. How many smileys did we have? Good job. We had 4. So I'm going to go through. 1, 2, 3, 4. And last we have the triangles. Let's go ahead, make sure I don't knock over my board, and cross off the triangles. Now, do you see a lot of triangles? No, neither do I. 1, and do you see any other ones? Nope, just 1 triangle. So we collected our data. We put how many of each picture we have in our picture graph. For the hearts, there were 5. The stars, there were 4. How many smileys were there? There were 4 smileys. And how many triangles did we have? 1. Good job. So now we're going to use our data, or information that we collected from our picture graph, to analyze and answer these questions. Which had the most? So which little design or shape was the most? Good job. The heart was the most, because the heart had 5. No other picture or shape had that many. Now, which had the least? Which one was the smallest amount? There weren't that many of them. Good job. The triangle had the least. There was only 1 triangle. You can even see here when we look at our graph that they have the least amount, the smallest amount of squares colored. Good job. So for your assignment, if you want, you can go onto Class Dojo, and there'll be 2 picture graphs that you can analyze with your family, or a super fun idea, you can go ahead and make your own picture graphs with your family. It's super fun. I suggest you try it. Don't forget, you can go onto ST Math, iReady Math, Google Classroom, or Boom Cards. I miss you guys, and I'll see you on the next video.